can't wait for this contract signing. And first of all, I would like to welcome my very good friend, the CEO of Duty Free Philippines, Pico. Magandang umaga. Welcome to our office. And to your team, I also would like to welcome no less Atty. Rosalie Pinoy. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong maagang pagdating dito. No? Kumbaga, for Christmas, this is our buena mano partnership. Maganda talaga. Because do you know that our sales performance, not only for flights, but also for the ancillary business, we are achieving more than 50% versus the normal month. And at the same time, that is not only for seats, but also for ancillary business. Ancillary business is huge. As a matter of fact, do you know, sir, that it contributes a huge 16 to 18% of our total top line. And to us, we are really looking forward that this is just a start, but hopefully we will double, even triple our sales in the coming months. Now, we know that the world is not really back. The world, as a matter of fact, the world of travel is not only back. It is, as a matter of fact, more than normal. I would always tell all our AirAsia All-Stars, ang ating scenario ngayon is totally different from pre-COVID. It's totally different from pre-COVID. The scenario now is that we have to move faster because all the opportunities have doubled. Travel has doubled, not only for domestic but international. And more importantly is that it is not only revenge travel, it is now what you call beyond revenge travel, it is now what you call back to business. And because of that, of course, as we sail through this very exciting world of travel and shopping, we also would like to welcome our friends from the media group. Maraming salamat po because through the years, every time we go to Cebu, we go to Kota Kinabalu for launches, kasama po namin ang mga taga-media. And I know that in behalf of Philippines AirAsia and also of Duty Free Philippines, kayo pong mga taga-media ang tutulong po sa amin na gawing mas maganda ang travel experience through AirAsia Philippines and of course Duty Free. Because just for your info, where is there? Pax, can I share with them already the big news? Isa sa mga package namin, Pax, ay 10% discount dito po sa may duty free, right? At 5% discount po in flight. And Pax, siguraduhin natin ang mga cabin crew natin, the likes of Carla and Mea. These are going to be our selling army who will push duty free shopping. Don't forget, guys. And of course, Emma, no? Sabihan mo sa team mo, you guys will be the ones to push harder the achievement of our sales targets. And some more notes, please. Okay. Ito po ay isa sa mga programs namin. No? Ray Berja, our CFO, is also here. Ray, please help us implement these programs because our partnership, Ray, will not only be with Duty Free. We will also be part of the Go Local. This is supporting the MSME, the small and medium scale. For your info, media guys, ito po ay nag-uumpisa ng lagyan ng mas maraming products that we can sell. Not only duty-free products, of course, but of course, our Go Local products. And remember guys, we will not only bring your products in the Philippines for domestic flights. We will be bringing people, okay, Ray and I promise that we will push these products to the max, even in our international sales. And I tell you, AirAsia Philippines, very soon, okay, very soon this coming fourth quarter, we will have additional aircraft, there will be more additional flights, and there will be more, not only domestic, international flights, like expanding our presence in Japan. Right now, we have Osaka, Narita, but coming first quarter, magbubukas na po ang Fukuoka, okay? And we will reopen again, back to business po ang aming mga ibang domestic flights. We have to reopen our Zamboanga flight and also our, what do you call this? And Dumaguete flights. So, as we now increase our aircraft, increase our destinations, open new destinations, we open the old destinations that we want to reopen as soon as possible. One thing for sure, we want also to give best service to our tourists, but more importantly, to our hotels. Uwian na po, Pasko na, right? So, as they now come home, like me, when I was working overseas, kasi isa rin po akong OFW when I was doing my PLDT, I was telling Vico, ang una kong gustong pasalubong ay nagagaling mismo sa tulad. Kasi convenient. Doon ako sa aeroplano, hindi na ako magsya-shop. Diba? Doon na lang sa aeroplano, discounted pa, right? Tax free pa. So pag uwi ko, duty-free products ang aking pagdito. And Carla, I do isang all chocolate. So I have to make sure I also have to bring sometimes if it's Christmas, nice watch for me. Right? So marami pang mga merchandise. And again guys, gusto ko sana sabihin sa inyo na this partnership is a good launch today, but let's be focused. Let's deliver the best numbers, guys. Okay? At the end of the day, results will come. That's the most important output of Philippines AirAsia. So again, marami pong salamat, and I'm now turning you over back to Emma and Carla. Thank you very much, and welcome to AirAsia.